Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. So today I'm going to Iloilo. It's currently 4:51 a.m. and honestly, I'm not even gonna lie, I came straight from a party because it was my friend's launch. If you haven't heard of Join Math Club on Instagram, my friends are a part of that group and they launched earlier in Clubhouse. So from Clubhouse, I went straight to the airport. Naka-ano pa ako actually, naka-pang party fit pa ako, pero I wore a sweater para naman hindi ganun kahalata, and I just wore slippers. My boarding's at 4:50. I arrived here at 4:45. So buti na lang I don't have check-in kasi dire-diretso ako and it's currently 4:51 now. Hindi pa naman kami boarding. So order muna ako ng tokot baboy kasi gutom na ako. Yan, may tokot baboy. Sige po. So what? I can't even open it. Bumusok pa ako. Ganyan siya kainin. Mr. Anselmo Pablo Suarez. Hi guys, I'm now in Iloilo. Palit agad ako ng pambahay because I'm so tired. I think we're gonna rest first before we start our day. Let's see kung saan tayo ipapasyal ni Gwen. Okay. Sigara na kayo vlog na sa... Hi Gwen! Hi Jen! We're currently... We're currently forcing our friends to come to Iloilo kasi ngayon ko lang nalaman 500 lang pala ang Bacolod to Iloilo. Like no, akala sabi ko mahal or like maglay mag-ano. Tapos 1 hour lang, di ba, boat ride?
Yeah, 1 hour. And if you're student, may discount.
May discount pa. Tingnan natin guys if pupunta sila dito sa Iloilo. We're calling our friends. You know. By the way guys, fun fact, I booked my flight 2 days ago. Yeah, I booked. Di ba 2 days ago lang ako nag-book? Ano, hambal mo?
Sagat, lang po sa pier mga 5:30.
Si Martina na lang! Successful! Day 1 in Iloilo! Where are we going?
To West, to school.
To West ano?
West na. Philippines.
West Philippine Sea. Asan po school mo?
West Visayas. It's in General Luna.
Okay, so where are we now?
Now we're in Mandurriao area. I don't know.
How far is your school ba from here?
I think it's 15 minutes.
Ah, okay.
But with traffic, 30 to 1 hour.
Huh?
1 hour literally. Kalo ay sister ko sa class, kaya like, she got stuck in traffic. 1 hour again.
Oh, shucks. So, Jen, how's Iloilo?
So far.
Wala pa guys. Ito pa lang.
First pa lang.
Yeah. So, see you in West Philippine Sea. Joke lang. Hindi ko.
West Visayas.
West Visayas pala. Ayun. Okay. So, Jen, naliligaw tayo. Asan na kami sa West Visayas State University. Ano ba yun? Grabe, di ko alam anong ginagawa ko dito. All the way from Manila, napagpag ako. Ayan. Wala, nililipot ko po ang buong Pilipinas. Ayan. So what, locker raid.
Oh my God.
Locker raid.
Teeth.
Oh, teeth.
Go inside.
I-show mo yung teeth. Ano yan? Ang mga tools. Yeah.
Like we practice para mag-pasta.
Okay.
It's stressful. Every time I open this locker, it's stressful for me.
Hi guys, so nag-freshen up kami. Actually, natulog kami. And then, tulog kami kasi nga wala kaming tulog. And then, nag-freshen up. So, tapakad to.
Hindi ko din alam eh. Pero Chinese food restaurant daw.
Maapas lang kami kay Gwen. Ay, oh my gosh, vlog man. Hindi ko pwede mag-ilonggo kayo kasi hindi ito machindihan. Susunduin lang kami ni... Okay lang, mag-ilonggo na ako. I-watch lang na iba na vlog. If, hindi na machindihan. So, maapas lang kami kay Gwen. So, gaton kami na isa pa namon ka-friend. So, day 1. Day 1 will start now pala. Actually. So, we are lost. Din ta subong? Hindi ko ba lost?
Hello. What's the name of the restaurant?
Din ka mo?
What's the name?
Teka mo?
Name ka mo?
Abi sagwa?
Spring Balan.
Ha?
Yeah, ma'am.
Basta sa piyak?
Gagada, maguro ka lang nagsakay kami, nagsigod kami.
Spring Balan.
Spring.
Guys, ito pala yung restaurant. Naligaw kami. Spring Palace. We back! Hey! Hi! Where are we?
Palace.
Oh, siya yung ano, kasi kanina pa kami naliligaw, siya yung may alam dito sa Iloilo. Si Martina na lang kulang.
Ito na di Mark.
Kanto na di Marks. Kaon na ta. Hi guys, okay, so nag-order lang kami sa Spring Palace, tapos biglang dumating na si Martina, so we have to pick her up.
Last minute road trip.
Last minute road trip, so denta pa kadto. Dumangas, so pagkadto ta Dumangas,
Hoy, 56 minutes away. Tamo RJ 30.
ay na kami port. Ayan na si Madam! Wow! Hello!
Good evening.
Hello, good evening. PCD gang in Iloilo. Parts, thank you.
Hello.
Thank you for coming. Okay, kumpleto na kami, guys.
Hi guys.
Mag-vlog ko. Super gutom.
Halika po.
Di pa nita ni siklet mo nimo.
Top, top.
Okay na ako na. Pero di pa ako
Hindi na.
Oh, my part.
Guys, context, lahat kami naka-all black. Si Gwen lang ang naka-red. Birthday niya kasi. Ilan naman ni Bay?
Bahala na ba?
Ilan naman ni?
Iloilo.
If you know, you know. Wait, din sa mga to.
First will happen SLS. Then we will WhatsApp.
This is our first night out. Ito na natin. Game time, game time. Oh. Ready ka na?
Ready.
Ready. Oy, the leader! Ay, ang leader! Oh, waka-waka! Waka-waka, oh! Ready na! Oh. So guys, it's currently, ano time check, Jen? 3:33 a.m. Oh, 3:34. Oh, kamusta ang ano? Saan tayo nagpunta?
What's up?
What's up, Gag SLS? So, first time naman mag-party. There's a... Ay, ako lang pala. Ako din. Ikaw din?
Lahat tayo.
Oh, lahat pala kami. First time nag-party dito sa Iloilo. And okay naman. It's great. Oh, nag-enjoy ko sa What's Up. Ang SLS, murag lahefa.
Actually, it's giving na hepa.
It's giving lahefa. Thank you also kay Koy kag Gwen. Sila sa lakyan. Nice. Okay. Ready for day 2?
Thank you, RJ.
Thank you, RJ. Siyempre, thank you, RJ. Oh, thank you, RJ. Ready for day 2 ka na, Mars?
Ready.
Uy, pa-post ko talaga to, oh.
Perform lang.
Good night, guys.
Good night.
See you in day 2. Good morning. Wait, time check. Time check. 2:16 p.m. Morning.
Dani.
Gina pa siya nagbugtaw. Kami lang yung bago lang nagbugtaw. So, kaonta. Kaonta. We'll eat first and then start our day. Guys, time check. 4:30 na. Ay, pa kami Japon. Punta kami Miyagaw. Okay. Jen, din ng sunset.
Ako na yun nag-set.
Wala, di na namin naabutan yung sunset. So we're just having dinner by the beach. Kaon na lang. Wala na sunset.
Ayun sa kanina yung
Oh. Thank you, Gwen.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Tony, for driving. Ikaw, Jen, hindi mo food. Ayan, yellow. Ay, ano pala? Sulan pork. Patis.
Kanin.
Patis kag kanin.
Hindi ka.
Hi, Koy. Say hi.
Hello.
Oh. Tayo later. Yun ang tanong. That's the question. Din ta karon. Din ta. J7. Oh, sige. Upod ka ko yun? Okay. Sige. Hindi nakapasa. Upod na. Okay. Sadyaan ka, Guro.
Nakita mo yung dive ni Jen? Ako lang kasi nagkagitulog yun. Ano ka ba? Hindi, maganda sa may DJ na yun.
ganun. Ang lalim eh. Sige guys, see you in J7. Time check. 12 na. O, palabas pa lang kami. Okay, where are we going?
J7.
J7. Hi, Koy.
Hello.
Oh, ano nangyari sa'yo tonight?
Gunshot wound.
Hi! So, we're on the way. Ay, we're going pa lang. We're going to J7. It's currently 12 a.m. May Iloilo trip is only night outs talaga. Hambal, mga tao, wala naman sila ginakatuan. Mga bar lang, ginakatuan nila. Hambal, Dani, wala man ng coffee shop. Guys, hindi naman ako alcoholic or party girl. I'm just on vacation with friends. That's why. And wala kami mapuntahan dito, so might as well.
City life.
Yeah, city life kami. We went to the beach naman kanina. We went to the seawall. Mapapugat kita when we go to Bacolod na lang. Bye! We're on the way. We're going there.
Punta sa jacket.
Kamusta, J7? See you tomorrow! Iloilo City. Mano? Ano yung mano na, no? Basta up. Bagsak up yun. Bagsak up yun. Oink. Bagsak up down. Kaya kayo RJ. Si Mano nagambalay. Hindi kami yaw. Uy, si Koy Koy. Huwag na Koy Koy. Uy, Koy Koy. Okay. Ma-SNS pa ta Koy. Uy, post ko muna sa YouTube. Okay lang? Okay na! Newsflash, makaon na lang kita kay patay ng SMS. So, magkakain na lang ka. Yeah, we're gonna eat na lang. Sa balay na lang kami makaon kay Pancit Canton. Kain na lang kami Pancit Canton sa balay para hindi na kami mag-McDo. Para way gasto. Way gasto. Gasto lang ni Gwen ang Pancit Canton. Joke lang. Thank you, Gwen.
Thank you, Gwen.
Thank you, Gwen. Thank you, Koy. Thank you, RJ, for driving. Thank you, Simo Tanan. Thank you, Simo Tanan. Actually, thank you, Simo Tanan, kay nagkanto ka mo Iloilo for me. And
Tanan sa GC. Wala ka drawing. When you booked your ticket.
So thank you for accommodating us.
Perform.
Hey! Okay, guys. See you tomorrow. Hindi na namin kaya to. Ay, basta mag-vlog pa ako pag nagkaon kami. Pero, okay.
Bye!
Bye! Thank you, Chef RJ.
Thank you, Chef RJ.
Thank you, Chef. Maluto ka pa itlog? Wow. Bacolod to Iloilo. Always the chef. Hi guys, so we're going home. Hindi, ako mamaya pa. Karoon pa ako sila. Dugay-dugay. Yeah, mapampakolod na sila ako pa Manila. So thank you so much, Gwen, for accommodating us here in Iloilo.
Thank you, Gwen.
Thank you, Jen and Marts, for coming to Iloilo last minute. Oh, thank you guys. Thank you, Ged. So, Madam Gwen, where are we?
We are Galados.
Okay. Okay. Guys, magugulat kayo. Nandun na yung food pagdating namin.
Guys, magulat kayo yung vlog ni Araw na.
Thank you. Hopefully, ayaw na ang food. Kina-prepare na ni Madam Gwen.
Baked inasal in Iloilo.
Yeah, I'm so hungry. Apparently, si Madam Gwen, pina-prepare lahat ng food sa Piyak na branch, sa kabilang branch. So,
Dito sa Piyak, dito na lang ka. It's 5 minutes away.
oh,
Ate, pwede siya. Uwi mo lang gali.
okay, Masaylo kami, another Tellings branch. So, see you there. Okay.
Dito ya guys.
Final na ni, kaon top. Ayun na kami sa Piyak na branch. Ayun ang food. Okay. Time check, 4:22. 5 pa sila aalis. So, we're just killing time here at Muelle. Okay. We're done eating na sa Tellings. Yeah, we're done eating na sa Tellings. So,
Sige. Ano sa'yo?
bis ka na lang. What do you want?
Beer?
Hindi na mag-inom, please.
Ay, bato.
Hindi na. Guys, time check. 4:41 na. 2, 3, go.
Gagi, alak akin.
Wala yan. Mindset
Gin yan, ah. Gin yan.
Si Jen, oh.
Uy, ang bilis, oh.
Si Jen, oh.
Uy, bottoms up.
Ang TikTok filter
Bottoms
na
up.
balaw. Ang TikTok filter na balaw. Oh! Okay, pa.
Yes.
Gago sa sa ulo.
Nasiga ba kayo? Kinanda na maglakad?
Brain freeze! Mart, ikaw naman, Mart!
It's time to go home.
Going
Oh, bye, Danny.
Bye! Bye, Gwen. Si Gwen ang iwan natin. Uuwi din ako mamaya. Bye, Gwen!
Bye, Gwen.
Wait, anong ginamin na, right?
Ay, ha? Thank you, Gwen!
Everyone!
Thank you, Gwen. Hi, guys. So, it's just Gwen and I. So, we're just gonna go to the range. We're gonna golf na lang. Hi, Manang. Yeah.
Love, yeah.
Yeah, so we're gonna range because Gwen here is a golfer.
I'm not a very good one.
Me too. Ako man, I'm not good na. Well, before naman din, I wasn't good. Pero I used to be better.
We've been eating a lot, so we'll sweat it out.
Yeah, we'll just sweat it out to range. Thank you, Manang. And thank you, Gwen.
Sure. Date with Danny.
Yeah, kami na lang mag-date kasi iniwan na nila kami. Joke lang.
Pumunta na sila sa Bacolod.
Yeah, pumunta na sila ng Bacolod.
My clubs have something special in them that I like to flex.
What?
It has glitters on them.
Oh, wow! Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, this is cute. Yeah, it has glitters
And
nga.
it's literally Barbie pink.
Yeah. Actually, your clubs are nice. Yeah.
It's the super kind of club na if you can't perform, Japan.
Job forms. Yes.
Drinks natin. Oh, they didn't serve it earlier because... What? Slice lang.
No, I can't. Hi. Yeah. So we're eating.
Sponty naman, di ba? Kasi
Here.
malay mo.
So we're eating at Troy Oil. Yeah. So we're gonna eat Vietnamese tonight. Ano namin?
Regular.
Ganun lang, K-pop.
Can we just share? Because I'm eating a lot.
Large na lang kung maliit ka po, diba?
You wanna say hi, Anthony? Hi. That's our friend, Tony. Kamu na ba actually? Okay. Sorry.
Wait lang. May nanalupan ako dito.
Dessert. It's sticky in your eyes. Do you like that?
Yeah, we can do that. Yeah, I like that.
Sorry. Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, it's good.
Madali.
I'll try fried spring rolls. Ano? What's this sauce? That's why I love it. White sauce? Oh, namin sarap ba? Namin sarap. I normally don't try new food kasi
Vaccine, hindi ka tama.
dessert. Hi guys, so we still have time to kill. So, time check. It's 9:58 pa lang. My boarding's 11:40 pa. So, we're gonna leave here na 10:50, right?
Yes, 10:50 and then 30-minute drive to
Yeah, going to the airport. And then, sakto lang. Yeah. So, we're just killing time here in Starbucks.
Excuse me, are you Miss Danny by
Oh, yeah.
any chance? I'm sorry, have you experienced or have you ever encountered a long ride from Starbucks?
No.
It's some kind of survey.
5.
It,
Oh, I get the free drink?
yes po.
Oh, okay.
You will be getting a tall drink and
Okay, thank you so much. Dapat kay Anthony mapupunta kung hindi ako nag-order. At kasi pinauna niya ako eh.
Mas masad na siya kay nag-order na sila ng drink. May arbit siya a free drink.
Oo. Mas lagi na, tagal lang nila ako.
Hala, makakula.
Dapat nga sa'yo yun eh, kaso pinauna mo ko. Thank you, Anthony. This is my order, guys. Yay.
So, I'm gonna try Danny's flatbread.
Yeah, okay. You haven't tried flatbread? Totoo pala, it's like pizza lang. It's good. Yeah, it's good. It's like cheese pizza. What did you order, Anthony?
Strawberry lemonade.
Okay. Okay lang, ma-feature ka sa vlog ko.
Okay lang.
No, pa kayo. Nya ka Dani, talent fee ko ah.
Nag-no lang kami talent fee mo ba?
Guys, I'm going home. I'm going home. Ang flight ko is 12. It's 10:55. So, gano'ng kakatagal magdadrive, Tony?
20 minutes.
20 minutes lang. Yung 1 hour gawin yung 20 minutes. Hindi naman 1 hour. Uwi ang airport
Ala,
actually.
30 to 40.
30 to 40. Pero gagawin niya yung 10 minutes. Okay, thank you guys so much.
Sure.
Thank you, Gwen, so much for this trip.
Later.
I'm gonna wrap my Iloilo vlog here. Bye! Say bye!
Bye vlog!
Bye vlog!